Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to bake a cake using biscuits such as Bourbon and Oreo. Please watch it carefully. For first we need to prepare biscuits like this.
Now we need to make pieces of them, as shown.
Now using mixer we need to make powder from the pieces and keep it aside. Now take dairy milk chocolate and melt them as shown above. After melting the chocolate it looks like this. After melting the chocolate we need to mix the chocolate, biscuit powder and a glass of hot water along with choco chips. Now the batter will look like this. After this just pour this batter into a cake-size shaped plate. The shape of plate gives the shape for the cake. Now we need to take a cooker and pour salt for preheating. After preheating for 5 minutes keep the plate which contains the batter and bake it for 20 minutes. Even you can decorate the batter like this. After 20 minutes of baking we can remove the batter from the cooker. You can decorate, cut the cake into pieces and then eat it. But before eating you must observe the cake must be like this soft and fluffy. Don't just forget to keep the cake in freezer to cool the cake which gives you the real taste. I hope you understood the video. Please like and subscribe.